In this video, we are going to learn how students can use EasyReader Premium to open files shared on Microsoft Education and Google Classroom. Teachers can share learning resources with students by uploading them to Google Classroom or Microsoft Education. To enable students to open the resources in EasyReader app, they must be added to Microsoft Education as an assignment or added to Google Classroom as material, and shared in a docx, PDF, or text format. If a student is subscribed to EasyReader Premium, an option will be displayed in the side menu to sign into Google Classroom and Microsoft Education. If these options are not displayed, select Manage Libraries from the side menu and check that the services are enabled. To sign in, select the required service from the side menu, then choose Sign In. A login portal will appear for students to enter their account credentials. Once the student is signed in, they will be able to browse their available classes and open the learning resources that have been shared by their teacher. Simply select the learning resource to download it and open it in the reader. Once the learning resource has been downloaded, it will be added to the My Books list so the students can continue reading on any compatible device at school or at home. Find out more about EasyReader Premium by visiting yourdolphin.com/EasyReader-Premium.